Hey, Bubsy. You look handsome. Look at you. Hey, good looking. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Hey, good looking. This is Bubsy. He's our beautiful Galah, and we named him Bubsy. So we're not too sure how old he is, to be honest. But he's such a breakout. He loves to, as soon as the door has left open, he will be off. Then we have to go looking for him. So this last year, when I arrived here in November, he managed to get away. I just left the screen door open and he was gone. And oh, did I really not have a good day that day. It was not one of my best days. Went around looking for him. So it's easy, you just call him, Bubsy, Bubsy. So it wasn't until the evening when my daughter got home and she went down. There's a baseball field where they play. It's down here in Mirrabooka, Herb Graham Reserve. And she went there and she must have seen him up along the fence there, and she called him and she just sat there actually. She sat down and just said, Bubsy, Bubsy. Then he slowly came down because he had been out all day. So he would have been he would have been thirsty and hungry. And he came home, and thank goodness I won't take any more chances of letting him go. But I just love letting them out of the cage. They're not really kind of, as soon as they see an exit, I have to be here anyway to make sure. But the last time that he got out was when that door was open and the screen was there, but there was an area underneath the screen where he snuck under, and off he went. Didn't you, Bubsy? Hey, you're so beautiful. Actually, you're handsome. You're a handsome boy, don't you think? Are you a handsome boy, Bubsy? Oh, so that's the story of Bubsy. I don't think he got out last year, but only because of me, he did. And the year before that, I don't think he got out then either. So I just like letting them out of the cage and letting them fly, but I just have to be careful and make sure the doors are closed. Right, Bubsy? And you're quite happy to fly around. Yes? And the other day, I should have caught him on video. He got into Sam's cage. So here we go. This is Sam. This is Sam in his cage. And look at what Sam's doing. Hey, Sam. What are you up? What are you doing, Sam? Sam, what are you doing? What are you doing, Sam? He loves getting into that box. And goodness knows, he just loves scratching it. Hey, Sam, are you going to say anything? Oh, that's Sam. Cockatoo. Now Sam's about 38 years old now. Yep, 38. Yeah, aren't you, Sam? Hey, hello. Sam, are you not going to talk? Okay, that's fine. And this is Bubsy's cage right here. Right, Bubsy? Right? Okay, that's our Bubsy. Bye for now.